In this video, I'm going to show you how you can register a company or any business in Malawi. You can register a business in Malawi online or offline. When you decide to register offline, all you need is to get a form, a registration form, which you can download on the internet, or you can get it at the office of the registrar of businesses. You fill the form and submit it right there. If you decide to do online, it means you'll be able to register your business from anywhere in the world at the comfort of your office or home. So this video will show you how to register the business online. You can register a business as sole proprietorship or sole tradership, or you can also register a business as a limited entity. If you register a business as a sole trader, there's no distinction between you, the person, and your business. Sole tradership is the easiest and the cheapest type of business that you can register in Malawi. The downside is that you are liable as a person for every damage or for everything that happens within the business. This means that people can sue you, or other entities can sue you for anything which goes wrong within the business. The other type of businesses are called limited liability companies or limited liability businesses. These are incorporated businesses. When you decide to register a limited liability, you are giving birth to a business entity that has its own identity different from the owners of that business. With this type of businesses, the owners of the businesses are not liable for what happens in the company. This means to say that they cannot be sued on behalf of the company because the company has its own identity. So whatever happens within the company does not directly affect the individual who owns the company. For example, if the company has some damages to pay, it will be the company paying, not the owners of the company. Or if something goes wrong, another company wants to sue them, they will not sue the owners of the company. Instead, they'll sue the company itself. So we can think of this type of a company as a person on its own. It has its own life, which is independent from the life of the owner. Unlike the sole tradership, to register this type of a business, you need legal consultations with a lawyer. In Malawi, there are 4 types of limited liability companies that can be registered. The 4 includes public limited liability companies, also include private limited liability company. Then there's also companies limited by guarantee and state-owned companies. Our focus in this video will be on how to register private limited liability company online without wasting your time. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, go! So the first step to register the business online is to create an account. So we'll start our process by creating an account. So we click here, create an account. We have to decide whether we are registering as a citizen or a non-citizen. A business in Malawi can be registered by both Malawian citizens and non-citizens. So if you are not a citizen of Malawi, you choose register as non-citizen. If you are a citizen of Malawi, you choose register as a citizen. Now, if you choose to register as a Malawian, you'll be required to provide the national ID number. On the other hand, if you are registering as a non-citizen, you will be required to provide your identification documents. As a Malawian, I have my national ID. I'll fill in this personal information. And here I'll also provide my phone number, email address, and create a password. Once I'm through with this, we'll go here and click on create, and it will take us to the next page. So here we choose company incorporation and click start to begin the process. And the first step here is to choose what type of limited liability company you want to register. If you click here, you see that there are different types of limited liability companies that can be registered. If you're a foreign investor, you have to choose foreign company. The third step is to input the proposed names. So as you can see here, all names are required and must be at least 3 letters long. So here you choose the name. For this demonstration, let's put our company name. Okay, company limited. Okay, so click next. Company limited is available. We can proceed. So Here we provide the details. Then after proposing the name, you put the nature of business. Simply describe what's the nature of the business, what you'll be doing or what the business will be doing. For the rest of the procedures, all what is required is to upload or fill in information of key people in the company, directors, shareholders, secretary, and all other particulars depending on the nature and the size of the business you are registering. You also need to upload consent of directors and shareholders. Here you have to upload the memorandum and articles of association that was prepared by a legal practitioner or a lawyer for your business. And then you have to upload the rest of the documents which may be required. And the final stage here is to make declarations. So after uploading, you make the declarations or you sign. Once you sign, it means you have completed the process and you are ready for submission. As you have seen, the process is straightforward and very easy to complete online. Once you have finalized uploading and you have signed the documents or you have made the declarations, your application is almost done. It is ready for submission. But before you submit your completed application package, you are supposed to pay for the services. So registering a limited liability company, you have to pay application fee of 75,000 Malawi kwacha. Soon after you create an account, as we did in the beginning of the process, you are provided with a reference code and you take that reference code to the bank to make payment. And once you finish the payments, you are ready to submit your application. After submission, they'll give you feedback. Once it is successful, they'll issue a digital business certificate through your email. Thank you for watching. If you found the video useful or you enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe and also hit the like button. See you next time when I upload a new video.